YouTube. Just doing a personal break here on some Prizm World Cup soccer. It's out of that same case I've been working on here. Let Dump Truck Dan pick my box again, basically. Dan, hope there's something big in here, man. I'll hook you up if there is. Good luck, me. Thank you, Brandon. Freaking Dump Truck Dan, you're a beast. First pack auto. Let Dan pick the box, man. Dan picked 4 boxes from a sealed case, and they've all had autos. Freaking unbelievable. I'm gonna set that over there and save it for the end. Hopefully it's nasty. Oh, sick. Blue Brazil. 171 or 199. Called them American. Nice. Thank you, janitor. The store crossed it off and crossed out the Belgian waffles, or your dad did? Those are 2 big sleeves. I'll do that later. All right. Wow, nice. Van Persie, World Cup Stars. Oh, Guillermo Ochoa had a good little run. Red Ochoa, Mexico. 136, 149. Porter, he had a good game until the end. Alexander Kurzakov, Russia. Plaid. And he asked Robin. I have not seen a 2 auto box. No. That'd be sick. Hopefully this is one. Alright, I got a United States. A refractor, Prizm, whatever. Nice. Vincent Company. Red and Blue Wave, Belgium. Should we burn that one? 2 auto box being a dual auto. There you go. Aerial Assault. Falco, Colombia. Saw a box today with 2 autos? It's pretty crazy for as spread out as they are. Netfinders, Landon Donovan. 13 left, Inception Baseball case, 38 bucks. Or 3 left if we did random divisions. Netfinders of Cavani. Neymar base. Nanians, okay, not huge ones then. The Abreu went to Big VZ, hit the Abreu. Ronaldo base. I think I needed that. I think that's the one that completes my base set finally. Franklin Pard World Cup Stars. Base. And base pack. Alright. And a base pack. And a base pack. We got 4 in a row. Net Finders. Javier Hernandez, Mexico. Yeah, everybody's gonna be calling in sick tomorrow. Well, not everybody, but Igor Akinfeev and Courtois. Red and blue wave. That was weird. Thiago Mota. Refractor? What was that about? One of my cards is backwards, man. Got me all hyped up for nothing. Thiago Silva, Cup Captain. Deutschland, Germany. What time is it? 3:30 Eastern? It's for tomorrow. Zuniga, Plaid. What's up, Poseidon? No, I haven't had any Aussies, man. Maybe some of the base, but nothing. No Aussie inserts or anything like that. Zuniga again, just Pulsar and Plaid. Actually, I don't think I've pulled any nice Aussie stuff, man. Like from any of the soccer I've done, ever. And base pack. Alright, let's see who the auto is. Luis Figo. Man, I was hoping that was Ronaldo. I thought I could tell it was Portugal on the back. Luis Figo, Portugal. Base auto. And Guardians of Sergio Romero. Right team, wrong guy. Story of my life. Alright, thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all on YouTube. Y'all take care.